I guess hindi na rin ako magdidig-dib diyan kasi baka kung saan pa mapunta baka mamaya may mahulaan ko pa kung sino yan, hindi ko kasi kilala, eh.
Oo, kasi I tried to yung player na nag-player na nag-reach out sa akin na wag mo kang pangalanan. So I reached back to him and then I was 2 days ago. Tapos sinabihan ako na, ayaw ko na, I can't talk kasi sinabihan na ako ng team, mga bosses ng team na wag na lang daw, don't discuss the issue. So, it would have been just easier kung sabihin na, ito yung involvement ko, then we can go from there. But of course, understand naman natin kasi sensitive nga eh. Kasi kahit hindi ka involved, lagay lang natin hindi totoo. Some fans always assume, 'di ba? Kasi hindi naman lahat ng PBA fans ng isang team, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Kaya what if kung nasa Team Asia, tapos yung mga kahit na hindi totoo, yung mga fans ng Team B, sabihin, ganun pala, and they would throw mud at you and all that stuff. So that's the dilemma here, Pao.
I see.